Hey guys, Jennifer Waters. I'm here at Siegler's Karate Center for this Warrior Wisdom episode. Today I want to talk to you about what pushes you. And I've seen and I've read tons of things on goal setting, motivation, you name it. I've been to it, read it, seen it, whatever. And a lot of times it all boils down to, are you motivated by pleasure or are you motivated by pain? And there's a lot of talk about, okay, if I have a goal that I'm really anxious to achieve and it's, let's say it's a financial thing, you want to be able to earn more money or you want to purchase a home or a house, will that push you to change your current habits to make it happen? And 9 times out of 10, it doesn't. It really doesn't. A lot of people aren't that self-motivated to be able to go, and not only self-motivated, they're not disciplined enough to change everything for the hope of something. A lot of times what motivates us is pain. We go through changes in our life. We go through situations that are hard. A loss in the family, divorce, health issues. All these things push us, and they push us in such a raw way that it forces us to change what we're currently doing. One of the hardest things for me has been dealing with my health and dealing with personal challenges and that and overcoming those. And there's been so many things that push me to change what I eat, how I work out, how I sleep, how I interact with other people. And it's the pain that pushes you. And so the next time that you're in a situation where you're feeling that pressure, just remember that pressure makes diamonds. That the pain that you're going through isn't going to last forever, but that pain has a purpose. And so it's important to keep in mind that even though you can't see the purpose right now, if the Lord's willing, He's going to reveal that purpose to you later on in life. And that's something that's been evident to me and how faithful the Lord is to take me through these situations, to put me in situations where the only thing that I could do is just grind my teeth and just keep pushing through it to come out on the other side. So embrace the pain. I know that it's tough. I know that it's hard going through it, but just remember you're not alone. And remember that this pain has a purpose. I'll catch you guys later.